Hello everyone, welcome to my channel An Easy Step to English Grammar. Today's topic of discussion is intransitive verb, that is অকর্মক ক্রিয়া. The verb which has no object, direct or indirect object, is called an intransitive verb, and the verb which has either a direct object or an indirect object is called a transitive verb. And today I am giving you some examples of intransitive verb. Then what is intransitive verb? A verb which doesn't have any object. So today's topic of discussion is intransitive verb. Intransitive verb, that is অকর্মক ক্রিয়া. Okay? The verb which has no object. My first example, the glass broke down, the glass fell down from the table and it broke. Okay? গ্লাসটা টেবিল থেকে পড়ে গেল এবং এটা ভেঙে গেল, and it broke. So here broke is the finite verb or the principal verb, and ask broke by what or whom, and there is no answer. ব্রোককে যদি কি বা কাকে দিয়ে প্রশ্ন করা যায় তার কোনো সাড়া বা উত্তর পাওয়া যায় না. Naturally, it is an example of intransitive verb. Let us take the second example. Number 2. The snow on the mountain top. The snow on the mountain top melts in the summer. In the summer. You see, melts is the finite verb or the principal verb. So ask melts with what or whom, and you will get no answer. Melts, ask it by what or whom, and there is no answer. Snow on the mountain top is the subject, melts is the verb, in the summer is adverbial of time. So melts has no object, so it is an intransitive verb. Let us take the third example. The haunted house has suddenly disappeared. Okay? You see that the haunted house is the subject, has is the auxiliary verb, and disappeared is the principal verb or the finite verb. ভুতুড়ে বাড়িটা হঠাৎই উধাও হয়ে গেছে. The haunted house has suddenly disappeared. Now ask the principal verb by what or whom, and it will give you no answer. So it is an example of intransitive verb. Let us take the fourth example. Let us boil, let the soup boil. Full stop. Let the soup boil. ঝোলটা ফুটতে দাও. So boil is the principal verb or finite verb, and ask boil by what or whom. Here soup is the subject and boil is the principal verb. Ask boil with what or whom and there is no answer. So it is also an example of intransitive verb. Let us take the fifth example. Many flowers have bloomed. Many flowers have bloomed. Okay? Here have, it is the example of present perfect tense. Many flowers, subject, have is the auxiliary verb and bloomed is the principal verb. Now ask bloomed by what or whom? Ki ba kake? There is no answer. You will get no answer. So bloomed is an example of intransitive verb. Let us take the sixth example. The flowers will wither. Will actually is the auxiliary verb and it is used in the future tense. The flowers is subject, will is the auxiliary verb and wither is the principal verb or the finite verb. Wither means to dry and fall down. শুকিয়ে যাওয়া, পড়ে যাওয়া, নষ্ট হয়ে যাওয়া, wither. ওই ফুলগুলো আবার নষ্টও হয়ে যাবে. The flowers will wither. Now, if you try to ask wither by what or whom, কি বা কাকে দিয়ে যদি প্রশ্ন করো, there is no answer. You will get no answer. So, let us conclude that I have given 6 examples like broke, melts, okay? Broke, melts, disappeared, boil, bloomed, wither. All these verbs are the examples of intransitive verb because they do not take any object, neither direct object nor indirect object. So there are innumerable intransitive verbs and all of you should know what intransitive verb is because in the case of voice change, when you change from active voice to passive voice, you should know or you should identify the verb first. And in the case of intransitive verb, you cannot change a sentence from active to passive voice. That is why you should know what intransitive verb is. Thanking all of you. Good night. Stay safe. Stay mellow. And try to understand the matter without skipping a single word or a single line. Good night.